Okay, here we are again, and we got the new controller that you can see right there, and actually has a diagram on it in English, which is an improvement. And also the connectors also have English markings of what they're supposed to be connected to, which is also an improvement. So hooray for that. Now we connected everything that was connected to the old one that didn't work, except for the handle, the throttle, because this one came with a separate throttle that looks like so. It's right over there, and as you can see, it's got full power from 3 batteries. They're right here, and they're connected in serial. So 12-volt batteries that could be charged independently at 12 volts and then connected in serial to give us 36 volts power. Okay, so the power is on, and we also have a key right here. This key turns the power on and off, and the throttle powers the motor, as so. Let's see if we're gonna make it work again. Look at that, it's moving. Okay, so that's all there is to it for now. Next thing that we need to do is install all this on the scooter and test it outside, and also find some sort of a casing or something to go over the back of it. And of course, cables have to be extended, because as they are, they're not long enough to reach from the handlebar all the way to the back, or from the motor to the controller and whatnot. So that's another job right there.